Welcome back to Breakfast Central on News Central. Now, the News Central mobile app ensures you stay in touch with the latest news, sports, politics, and more on the go. You can go ahead and download it on Google Play Store for Android and the iOS Store for iOS users. Let's now bring you some COVID-19 updates, and we're starting in Kenya. The country has administered over 3 million COVID-19 vaccines since the launch of the countrywide mass vaccination campaign in early February. According to the Ministry of Health, the exercise has been successful so far, with a daily average of more than 200,000 people being vaccinated. About 14.2 million persons above 18 years have received at least one dose, and 6.9 million are now fully vaccinated, with the ministry having stocked up enough vaccine doses to administer at least 30 million doses by the end of June. 7 million of these doses have already been distributed to the counties and are currently being used in the ongoing mass vaccination campaign, including outreaches. At least 25.2% of the adult population is fully vaccinated, according to the latest statistics. Let's also give you the COVID-19 index from Kenya. Now, the country so far has over 300,000 reported number of cases, with the number of tests pegged at about 3.2 million. Now, the number of recoveries is a little above 300,000. The number of deaths, we have 5,629, with a 172 number of admitted patients. And if we're looking at the number of vaccine administered, it is at 15 million.
All the way from Kenya now, let's bring to you another update. This time, let's go straight to the World Health Organization. The head of the World Health Organization, Tedros, Ghebreyesus, has said the acute phase of the pandemic could end this year. Now, that is if about 70% of the world gets vaccinated. Ghebreyesus was speaking during a visit to Afrigen Biologics and Vaccines, which has produced the first mRNA COVID vaccine made in Africa using Moderna's sequence. Ghebreyesus said, and I quote, "If that is to be done, the acute phase can really end, and that is what we are expecting. It's in our hands. It's not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice," end of quote. Well, Afrigen is leading the pilot project backed by the World Health Organization and the COVAX initiative. Tedros' comments actually came a day after Machlisa Moeti, Africa director for the WHO, said the continent is of the COVID-19 outbreak, adding that Africa is moving towards a situation where it will be managing the virus over the long term. And that's exactly what it means. So that's the latest coming from COVID-19 update. Well, don't forget too that it's indeed recommended that you go get vaccinated if you haven't done so. And please do well to wear that face mask if you haven't as well, to ensure that we continue to try and get that herd immunity as much as possible.